Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Sophia Fillion
And I'm Kathy Fillion, and this is our Summer
of Surprises!
We have been collecting these surprise toys for a couple of years now. She's been begging me, Mom,
I was like,
when do we get to
Mom,
open
open them.
So I said, you know what? Let's film it. Let's do a whole series based on our collection here. We love dolls and we love miniatures, so we are going to open these up and share our findings with you. Now the only question is this.
What are we gonna open? Today we're gonna be opening the Totally Tinies.
These are so cute. We got 5 packages of them and we found them at Dollar Tree. I'm so excited to see what we get because I'm thinking we can use them for some DIYs and some crafts.
Yeah.
All right, let's dig in. Now what does it say? Series 1?
It says Totally Tinies, collect them all. Yeah, Series 1.
Series 1. Okay, 4 plus.
Let's
All
open
right,
this one.
You open that one, I'm gonna open this one. What are we gonna get? Well, on the back it's showing that you can get tacos.
Oh my god, I got bread and eggs, you guys!
So did I! Look how cute!
Oh wait, they're a set, you guys.
Yeah, look at that. We can make toast and egg earrings, or we could make charms with these. Let's open them
I
up
want
and
to
take
make
a
like
look.
a charm or something, maybe.
That's so cute.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, they're really soft.
Oh wait, yeah, they're
So
like.
look at that. That's toast
squishy.
and butter, and we got some fried eggs. I almost said scrambled eggs. Some more fried eggs
eggs.
coming in, and let's put our other toast over here. There we go.
There we
my
go.
gosh, so cute.
They're so cute.
Okay, so it looks like we have the Rise and Shine.
Yep.
So we've got Rise and Shine, and the question is, will we get bakery treats or Fiesta Time? I'm really hoping for one of those tacos.
I kind of want Fiesta Time.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
3,
Who's
2,
gonna
1.
open the last one?
Oh,
You?
me. I was like,
Of
me.
course. All right.
I got
I hope we
sweet.
don't get another egg.
I got the sweeties.
We're twins again. Okay,
Oh,
let's
come on.
open them up and see what we got. Macaroons, some French macaroons. Oh,
Oh,
look at
I got
that
macaroons and a hard cookie. Oh, these
So
are babies.
cute.
I'm so cute.
Oh, it's got little tiny sprinkles on it. Even.
Oh my gosh, how'd they get these on?
Those
Like,
are
I'm
cute.
just wondering.
So let's see. That one's called Bakery Treats. I'm still holding out for the taco. Let's
Me
see.
too.
And what's that? Oh, churros. I thought those were hot dogs.
Yeah.
No. Those are churros.
I think this one
We
is
love a
tacos,
good
you guys.
Churro from Disneyland.
Yay! I'm so excited. It's tacos, you guys. It's tacos and churros.
I'll arm wrestle you for that taco. I probably wouldn't win. Let's see. Oh, they're so cute. They almost
Oh
look
my
like pretzel
God.
sticks too.
Kind of.
Oh, that looks
Oh,
so
it
good.
stands up. Wait, don't do these, I think.
Oh,
Nope.
well, we could put little eye hooks in
Timber.
those and make earrings for sure. Oh, we got them standing. Let's see those. So
I'm literally 3 seconds
cute.
away from eating these.
well, please don't. All right, let's take a look. What is that? That is Fiesta Time. So we're gonna have to go get back and get another package. I think we're gonna have to get another taco because how cute would this be? Taco earrings, right? Or taco ring. We could glue it to a ring base.
Or we can make it a little birthday. Like, ooh
bracelet.
la la.
All right, I smell a DIY coming our way.
Yep.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today on our Summer of Surprises,
Surprises.
series. We'll be
One.
back here next week with another surprise
Surprise toy.
unboxing, unveiling, what do we want to call it? We don't even know what we're calling it. We're just having fun.
Yeah.
All right, thanks y'all. We'll be back here next week with another fun unboxing.